Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Fidelity's app provides a comprehensive platform for investors, offering a wide array of investment options such as stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and more. Alongside robust research tools and educational resources, the app's user-friendly interface allows for easy navigation, access to real-time market data, and customizable alerts. Fidelity's app is designed to cater to investors of all levels, providing in-depth analysis, retirement planning tools, and a range of investment strategies, making it a versatile and valuable tool for those seeking to manage and grow their portfolios. Efficiently, making money through Fidelity involves a strategic approach to investing and utilizing the platform's diverse features. Begin by setting clear investment goals and crafting a diversified portfolio. Fidelity offers access to a wide range of investment options, from individual stocks and bonds to mutual funds and ETFs. By diversifying across various asset classes and sectors, you spread risk and potentially enhance returns. Leverage Fidelity's research and analysis tools to make informed investment decisions. Utilize their robust research reports, market insights, and financial analysis to identify promising investment opportunities. Stay updated on market trends, economic indicators, and company news to capitalize on potential growth areas or undervalued assets. Additionally, explore Fidelity's advanced trading features if you have the knowledge and risk tolerance for more active trading. Tools like options trading and margin accounts offer potential for higher returns. But they also come with increased risk, so it's essential to have a solid understanding of these strategies before diving in. Remember, investing involves risks, and it's crucial to conduct thorough research, stay informed, and consider your risk tolerance and investment goals before making any decisions on the Fidelity platform or any other investment platform. Consulting with financial advisors or professionals can also provide valuable insights tailored to your specific financial situation.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.